As the reputation of Vietnamese Bo Bun spreads around the world, we are learning to love other variants. Today, I'm going to show you the one of lemongrass grilled pork belly. Here are the ingredients for 4 people. You can find this list and other recipes on my website, cookingwithmorgane.com. The day before, prepare the marinade. For that, mince 2 lemongrass, peel 3 garlic cloves, crush the lemongrass, and the garlic cloves. Then add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. Mix all together. In a mixing bowl, put 500 grams of pork belly slices with the marinade. Mix all. Keep in the fridge overnight. The next day, cook 300 grams of rice noodles in boiling water for 5 minutes. Drain them. Rinse them with cold water. Let them drain for at least 1 hour. Prepare the vegetables. 1/3 of the cucumber cut in 2 small sticks. 1 grated carrot. 100 grams of bean sprouts. Roughly cut the mint and the Thai basil leaves. Ten grams of cilantro and 2 spring onions in 2 sections. Mix them all together. Crush 40 grams of roasted peanuts. The oven is preheated to 210 degrees. Bake the marinated pork belly for about 20 minutes. Flip them and grill them for another 10 minutes. Fry the spring rolls until they are crispy. Cut the pork belly into pieces. Prepare the bowls for each guest. Put in a portion of rice noodles. Traditionally, we eat them cold, but you can also enjoy them lukewarm by briefly reheating them in the microwave. The vegetables, the grilled pork belly, the spring rolls, the spring roll dipping sauce, and 1 tablespoon of peanuts. Each guest pour the dipping sauce over her bowl. Mix and bon appétit! Invite your guests to add more spring roll dipping sauce to their bowl. It's delicious with a generous dose. In this bo bun, the vegetables and the herbs make the dish fresh. The marinated pork belly mixes all its flavors with the other ingredients. Thank you for watching and sharing my video. See you at the next homemade dish.